British singer Ed Sheeran on Monday is named the best-selling artist in the world in 2017 by the global recorded music industry group IFPI. London-based IFPI says Sheeran's Divide was the best-selling album of last year and Shape of You was the best-selling single. Drake is second in the ranking, followed by Taylor Swift, Kendrick Lamar, Eminem, Bruno Mars, The Weeknd, Imagine Dragons, Linkin Park, and The Chainsmokers. The ranking includes digital and physical album and single sales as well as audio streaming. Sheeran is the fifth recipient of the Global Recording Artist of the Year award after One Direction in 2013, Taylor Swift in 2014, Adele in 2015, and Drake in 2016.